ಹಾಯ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿನೇ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. He is buying. He is buying. If the statement is in positive, tag is negative. Here the statement is in positive, so tag is in negative. Structure, helping verb plus subject, next not, question mark. He is buying. Here helping verb is and next subject he, next not. Is he not? He is buying. Is he not? 1. ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್. ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್, isn't, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ he, isn't he. He is buying, isn't he. And next she is cutting an apple. She is cutting an apple. Here the statement also is in positive, tag is negative. Isn't she. Isn't she, because here the helping verb is and the statement is in positive, so tag is in negative. Is plus not, isn't, and next subject she, isn't she. And next they don't come. Here the statement is in positive or negative? The statement is in negative, so tag is positive. Here the helping verb is do. And next subject they. Do they. Do they. Because the statement is in negative, so we add tag in negative. They don't come. Do they. Next it didn't eat. It didn't eat. Here also the statement is in negative, tag is positive. Here the helping verb is did. Here helping verb is did. And next subject is eat. Did eat. Did eat. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನು? ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ if the statement is in positive, tag is negative. If the statement is in positive, tag is negative. And second rule, if the statement is in negative, if the statement is in negative, tag is in positive. If the statement is in negative, tag is in positive. And the next if the statement is in simple present tense, SPT ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. if the statement is in simple present tense, we use do and does. We use do and does. If the statement is in simple present tense, we use do and does. Simple present tense ina DAS formal ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಿನ ಡಿಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಸ್. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink tea. So subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. So verb is in present. Verb is in present. So the statement is called as simple present tense. I drink tea. So I helping verb is do. Statement is in positive or negative? Positive. Statement is in positive. ಅದೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. There is no any confuse. But here helping verb is not. ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪಿನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. I helping verb do. Do plus not don't. Subject is I. I drink tea, don't I? I drink tea, don't I? Next, we take this. We take this. We take this. Subject plus verb is in present. It is simple present tense. We take this. We helping verb do plus not don't. Subject we, don't we. Don't we. And next, you put off. You put off. So you put off. It is also in simple present tense. Helping verb do plus not don't you. Don't you. And next, they close the door. They close the door. So subject plus verb is in present. It is also in simple present tense. They helping verb here do plus not don't they. Don't they. And next, he sings a song melodiously. He sings a song. Subject plus verb is in simple present tense. Present tense. It is also in simple present. And he, she, it helping verb do or does. Does. He sings a song. Does plus not doesn't he. Subject is he. Doesn't he. She cleans the room. She cleans the room. She, here helping verb is does plus not doesn't she. Doesn't she. He sings a song. And next, ಇದೇ ರೀತಿನೇ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It barks loudly. It barks loudly. It barks loudly. Subject plus verb is in present. It barks loudly is in simple present. It here helping verb does. Does plus not doesn't it. Doesn't it. You give a pen. You give a pen. You give a pen. Subject plus object. Verb is in present. The statement is in simple present tense. Here the helping verb is do. Do plus not don't. Subject you. Don't you. Don't you. Next, they go to the school. They go to the school. Statement is in positive, tag is in negative. Here helping verb is do. Do plus not don't. Subject is they. Subject is they. Next, I buy a new bicycle. I buy a new bicycle. The statement is in positive, tag is in negative. Helping verb is do. Do plus not don't. I. Subject is I. Don't I. I buy a new bicycle. Don't I? They go to the school. Don't they? You give a pen. Don't you? It barks loudly. Doesn't it? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಸ್. Next, if the statement is in simple past tense, if the statement is in simple past tense, we use did. If the statement is in simple past tense, we use did. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, if the statement is in positive, tag is negative, one rule. Second one, if the statement is in negative, tag is positive, second one. And third one, if the statement is in simple present tense, we use do and does. And fourth one, if the statement is in simple past tense, we use did. We use did. He went to USA, United States of America. He went to USA. Subject plus verb plus object. Here verb is in present or past? Past. Totally the statement is in simple past tense. Here we use did. He went to USA. Helping verb did. Helping verb did. Did plus not didn't. He didn't he. He went to USA. Didn't he? Next, we had a lot of books. We had a lot of books. Have form ಬಂದಾಗ have has had is all the helping word, but here I use had as the main verb. Here had is the main verb, not to be helping verb is here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ had ಅನ್ನ helping verb ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, main verb ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. subject plus helping verb plus object. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. have or has or had, have has had ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. we had a lot of books. We had a lot of books. Helping verb is did. Did plus not didn't. We didn't we. They came. They came. Subject plus verb is in past. Helping verb is did. Did plus not didn't. Subject is they. Didn't they. Next, I rubbed the board. I rubbed the board. I rubbed the board. Here verb is in past. I rubbed the board. Helping verb is did. Did plus not didn't. Didn't I. Didn't I. Next. She cooked breakfast. She cooked breakfast. She cooked breakfast. Statement is in simple past tense. We use did. It plus not didn't. Subject is she. Didn't she. Didn't she. He went to USA. Didn't he? We had a lot of books. Didn't we? They came. Didn't they? I rubbed the board. Didn't I? She cooked breakfast. Didn't she? Next. He watered to the plants. ವಾಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. He watered to the plants. Statement is in simple past tense. We use did. Did he? Didn't he? Didn't he? And next. They prepared. They prepared. Did plus not didn't. They. Didn't they? Next. She wrote a novel. She wrote a novel. Write is in present. Wrote is in past. Written is in past participle. She wrote a novel. Didn't she? Next. I danced on the stage. I danced on the stage. I danced subject plus verb plus object. Verb is in past. Statement is in simple past tense. I danced on the stage. Didn't I? Next. You got a new idea. Did plus not didn't you. You got a new idea. Didn't you? They arranged the table. They arranged the table for dinner. Didn't they? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತೆರಡು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಬಳಸುವಂತ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ 4 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ.